Welcome to Christian TV. We offer fresh, high-quality fruits delivered straight to you. Subscribe for fruit showcases, tips, and exclusive offer. Enjoy nature's best with us. This Python code creates a Tkinter-based grocery list manager with MySQL database integration for adding, viewing, and deleting groceries item. Key figures. Database setup. Connect to my SQL. The name is grocery app and creates a groceries table if doesn't exist. CRUD operation. Add item. Stores item name and image path in the database. Image handling allows selecting and displaying images using Pillow for resizing. View item. Display items with image and rainbow colored text. Payment simulation. Calculates a mock total price. $10 per item and simulate checkout. Delete item. Removes selected items from the database. GUI figures. Input fields buttons, a scrollable list box, and a details view for image and names. First, enter the grocery item. What you want to buy it, for example, apple. Enter apple and browse. Then select apple, open, then add to cart now. After that, pay with the cash. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for fresh updates. See you in the next video with the more delicious fruits.